Guys, so we starting off this vlog a little early this morning. Not really early. It's 9:30 right now, and we're currently in New Jersey. We're gonna go pick up Uncle Tim. So let's get it. So today is the day. Today is the day I get the new exhaust on my car. Now, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I'm really excited. Like I'm trying my best not to show it, but I'm excited. Like I'm hyped. I finally get exactly what I needed. This whole time I felt like I did my whole exhaust setup wrong. I was rushing everything. I was just a young bull just trying to get a loud car, and it was just too loud. Originally when I did it, like I always tell you guys, the car is literally straight pipe, and that little rasp, that needs to go. That right there, gotta go. So I can't even have a conversation with you guys. Alright guys, so we just picked up Uncle Tim. Now we're on our way to Clearfield, Pennsylvania. According to the GPS, we got another 3 hours and 50 minutes. But it seems like it's smooth sailing all the way there with no traffic. So let's hope that is true. But it's a long ass drive, so let's get it. Alright, so y'all know we was gonna make the whole trip without filling up with gas. So we just made our first stop at the gas station. Uncle Tim went inside to use the bathroom. Yeah, so as soon as I get a chance, I gotta give the car a wash. And then also the exhaust is going on. So right now we got the dual on there. We got the dual. So it stops at $22. Oh Lord. Let's see how much gas really went on this thing, because I know for a fact it ain't full. Look. How I know? How the hell did I know? This thing is nowhere close to full. Alright, got some great news. We actually just made it over here in Clearfield, Pennsylvania. It's a nice little short drive. Let me stop. Yo, this drive is long as hell, but I know it's gonna be worth it, 110%. I've been communicating back and forth with Shawn, so Shawn is prepared. I'm about 2 minutes away from there now, so he should be pulling in any moment. And did not want to dirty the car. Got the right place. Yes, we do. There we go. So we just made it over here to HBP. Everything already got started. As you guys can see, car's already lifted. These are all the exhausts that he usually makes. These are the V2s. So these are the new exhausts that he's starting to make. If you guys are looking to get them, I would recommend start putting your orders soon, because he literally just ordered a new batch, and I'm pretty sure they're gonna go pretty quick. So start putting those orders in, man. We got the old exhaust out, and as you guys can see, I got resonated Megan test pipes, and then I had a full custom exhaust all the way back, like I told you guys, with some custom tips that was made just for my car. Well, not made, but they were put onto my car.
Alright
actually just finished putting the exhaust onto the car. This thing actually sounds really freaking amazing. Right now, I'm probably gonna take it for a test drive. Not really even a test drive. I'm probably just gonna go home because it's getting late on us right now. It's about 6 o'clock, and we got a 4-hour drive ahead of us. So, just want to get on the road as soon as possible. I just keep it moving. But the car is finished. Exhaust is on. Sounds amazing. And I'm gonna tag Shawn's Instagram in the description below. So just go into the description, hit up his Instagram if you guys are looking to get an exhaust made for your car. And he'll definitely DM you guys back. He does both single and dual exit, just in case you're looking. That was pretty much it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, go downstairs, hit that like button. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. And I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. Peace.